Definite and indefinite articles. A and an are used as indefinite articles. The is used as definite articles. We put a before a noun starting with a consonant sound. We put an before a noun starting with a vowel sound. Indefinite articles a, and, an. We put a before a noun starting with a consonant sound. We put an before noun starting with a vowel sound. Vowels, a, e, I, o, u. Definite and indefinite articles. A and an are used as indefinite articles. The is used as definite articles. We put a before a noun starting with a consonant sound. We put an before a noun starting with a vowel sound. We do not use a or an. No article is used with abstract nouns and the names of metals. Love, beauty, hatred, wood, silver, gold. No article is used before plural or uncountable nouns. There are books on the table. Milk is good for you. The is used before a noun that is the only one of its kind. The river Nile. The Khyber. Names of rivers, seas, oceans, etc. The Arabian Gulf. The Red Sea, a noun which is the object of a sentence. Ali answered the question. The names of musical instruments. Can you play the piano? The is used before names of some countries. The United Kingdom. The USA, with sometime expressions. At the weekend. In the evening. With dates. On the first day of every month. With some general expressions. Listen to the radio, news. Go to the market, desert. Use article with the name that is repeated. I saw a man. The man was young. No article is used with the names of studies of subjects. I do not like science. My favorite subject is mathematics. No article is used before such words as school, home, bed, work, etc. I am going to school. I always go to bed early. No article is used before such words such as day and month names. On Monday, in June, in summer, sometimes in the summer, before breakfast.